A good Tuesday to everyone out there. Rain chances returning today, even in the morning hours. Not going to rule out a couple of stray showers. Temperatures in the upper 70s in the morning by about 9 a.m. We're going to top out right around 90 in the afternoon with those hit-or-miss showers and thunderstorms. So we'll start the FUTURECAST at 6 o'clock this morning. And again, you can see east of Highway 45 the potential for a few stray showers. More spots is not staying dry as we go through the morning hours. The better chance of rain coming in the afternoon hours with more hit-or-miss showers and thunderstorms. That rain should be wrapping up as we get into the overnight hours. Temperatures topping out in the upper 80s and lower 90s pretty much area-wide. It just depends on where you are as whether or not you hit 86, 87 or you make it all the way to 90. We'll see how things work out as we go through the day, but warm and humid nonetheless. This sort of summertime pattern going to continue with the potential for hit-or-miss showers and thunderstorms continuing through the middle of the week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday on the FUTURECAST showing basically the same thing, that potential for a hit-or-miss shower or thunderstorm. Hurricane Jose sitting off the east coast of the United States. This thing's going to bring some tropical storm force winds, some high surf, perhaps some coastal erosion across New England. No direct landfall from Jose, and at this point on satellite looking a bit more post-tropical. Sort of looked like this yesterday, but the National Hurricane Center is still saying at this point it is still a hurricane, still has a warm core to it. We'll see how long that lasts. Forecast track from the National Hurricane Center has this thing weakening by tomorrow in a tropical storm. You can see no direct landfall on the continental United States is forecast, but with a tropical storm force wind field extending well out from the center of this thing, certainly going to be some impacts across New England. Then we have Maria. Made landfall last night as a Category 5 hurricane in the Lesser Antilles. Moving off to the west and northwest, now a Category 4 storm near Category 5 strength, sustained winds at 155 miles an hour. The latest forecast from the National Hurricane Center on this storm going to make landfall in Puerto Rico as a Category 4 storm late tonight into early Wednesday morning. And it's going to be close to that Category 5 strength. So probably a terrible situation unfolding for the island of Puerto Rico at this point. Beyond that, it is expected to slowly weaken as it moves into the Caribbean into a Category 3 hurricane. Still a major hurricane at that point. Likely going to be some impacts in the Bahamas. And then beyond that, too early to say whether or not the continental United States will see any direct impacts from Maria, but some of the latest forecast models indicating it is more likely to swing back out to sea. Again, that is not set in stone by any stretch of the imagination, but something we hope happens, and we'll just have to keep an eye on it to see exactly what Maria does beyond this weekend. In our neck of the woods, we're going to stay in the summertime pattern. Temperatures in the low 90s today, upper 80s and lower 90s today, and then mainly in the upper 80s Wednesday through Monday of next week. And that daily hit-or-miss shower and thunderstorm chance going to continue through the weekend. Looks like those rain chances may dip down a little bit as we get into the start of the work week next week. And of course, you can join meteorologist Amanda Reynolds later on tonight for the latest in your forecast on WCBI News at 5, 6, and 10.